Hello everyone, how are you? Now let me show you our oxygen concentrator working, how to operate this machine. First one, we connecting the power and the cable. This one is in the machine side, the socket, connecting these two. And then the one, this for the power cable, for power connecting. Second one, we connecting with the oxygen output. Here, the tube insert to cover the output hole. And then here we can see this is for the inhalation kit. You connecting with the tube and the inhalation kit. Here we can see more closely. Yes. So this connecting. So the whole machine connecting, including the cable and the inhalation tube. So this is the first step we finish.